planting?
We're just putting a few flowers in here, make it look pretty.
I'm gonna do one white here.
We're gonna do those white ones across the front.
Are you helping, Ivy?
Can I play one, Mama?
Okay, I'll take the whole.
Hey, Ivy, are you helping?
White here.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Thank you.
Patience, little ones.
Oh, she's like pushing me over.
Those things are crazy.
You're funny, Ivy.
Because of that,
Can you please move back? Thank you.
because of the next one, you will dig it deep.
Did you have flowers in here last year?
Yeah, I did. And the lilies that come up every year, I planted them when I first moved here.
To this house? To this yellow one over here?
Yeah. Okay, well don't. That's the roots. We need those.
She's like, Mommy, there's a worm. There's a worm.
Joe, what are you doing?
He's dragging the fence with him.
Okay.
Put one in.
One in there. It's okay, Ivy. Just a sec. Lily was being pushy here.
Not a surprise.
Okay, Ivy, come over here.
Oh, you, quiet. You're not that big of a hero. You're not that big to begin with. Oh, is Ivy planting a flower? What are you planting, Ivy? What kind of flower are you planting?
With the root. That's the kind. With the root.
Oh, okay.
Oops, I grabbed your thumb. Yeah, I'm gonna plant it over on the other side. The other guy.
All right, we're at Staples and Jeff.
Look at that.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Water dry there.
That's weak.
That's what's called a sinkhole, isn't it?
Let me think about it.
Open Sesame Street.
You are crazy.
No, I'm nuts.
Not touching that.
Yeah.
Looks that the last one is left, but I'll have some look.
And get your new computer. Well, new tower anyways.
Oh, Jeff just set off the alarms.
Guess what I'm stealing?
Start the car! Start the car!
Sorry.
I gotta find that music and put that under you. Start the car! Now, Jeff, you gotta run now. Start the car!
This isn't that heavy.
No, they're getting lighter and lighter. So you want to stop by the house and
Yep. Get whatever. Hi.
Lord have mercy on them. All right, I'm getting in the car. Start the car!
That was.
All right, so what did you get, Jeff?
I got a new PC.
Now, am I gonna have to redo this every 6 months?
No, 7.
Well, okay. That works.
No, not for a long time.
No, hopefully not. But we have the recovery disc, so it would take less time to set up.
Jason?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, all my stuff is on the terabyte from the old one, I think.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna go over that. Until we get to Jeff's. Oh, what is Jeff doing? Oh yeah, he's trying to take a photo of his serial code. With his Fuji camera. Jeff could be a vlogger too. He could vlog his oh so exciting life.
I've got a new computer.
Actually, Jeff, your life is about as exciting as mine am. We do the same thing day in and day out. I'm at the church, and Jeff is a sanitation engineer. Or a toilet brush manipulator. I can't remember which one. Make a picture to last longer. Oh wait, he's doing that. Don't make him laugh, folks. Don't make him laugh.
Didn't come out.
Mine didn't come out either. We'll have to just write it down and put it in the files. You want to do that? Yeah? You want to do that? Do you want to do that with me? Yeah, see? It's down there. That's the serial number to Jeff's wind blows. Alright. What's he doing? Alright, enough of this.
Isn't this amazing? I just set my Google Plus account to link to my YouTube, which is already connected to my Twitter, which feeds my Tumblr. My Tumblr is connected to my Facebook and my Daily Booth, so when I post something to Facebook, it automatically goes to my Twitter, so that my Twitter and my Tumblr are...
Shut up! Shut up!